Alright everyone, isang magandang morning and have a nice day. Welcome to Sequoia Hotel here at Metro Manila, Philippines. And this is the Malastyles Philippines Kids and Teens Global Pageant Philippines Season 2. My name is DJ Alvin, ang DJ Racketeer ng Masa at ang DJ na kahit anong gawin, single pa rin. At the same time, from Euro TV Philippines Entertainment, thank you so much for viewing. And for today's video, ayan, makakasama natin ang isa sa mga candidates ng Kids and Teens Global Pageant Philippines Season 2. Hi, Miss Cebu City. Can you please kindly introduce yourself right now?
Hello po. I am Iani Crisis Shariak. I am 11 years old, proudly representing from the Queen City of the South, Cebu City.
And you are 11 years old,
Yes.
right? So, nag-aaral ka pa ba? Or anong grade? Or senior high school? Or what?
Opo, I am grade 7.
Grade 7. So, anyway, what is your dreams when you grow up?
Actually, I have two choices.
Mm-hmm.
My dream career is to become a beauty queen, and my dream job is to become a nurse.
Wow. Bakit gusto mong beauty queen someday? Why?
Because I want to be a beauty queen someday, so I can inspire the young individuals to show them that if I can do it, then they can do it too.
So, this is your first time in a pageant or national? Or marami ka nang salin, di ba?
Yes, it's my first time in a national competition.
And nakikita kita sa social media and you are a content creator also.
Yes.
And I am one of your avid fans. And I am so grateful na na-meet ko ang isang content creator from Cebu City. Nakasubaybay ako sa kanya. Parang sabi ko kanina, parang you look so familiar and hindi ko akalain na makakapanayan kita ngayong araw. And thank you so much for this. Malay natin, pinagtagpo yung ating pag-uusap ngayong araw. Kasi plan ko talaga noon na mag-chat on your page to become my guest on my show at Euro TV Philippines. Pero parang nasa Cebu ka. And then nakita ko yung manager ko, which is Ma'am Annabel Balala, going there in Cebu. I think it's a pageant also, and you're one of the candidates there. And I asked Ma'am Annabel Balala, kailan kaya darating si Miss
Yana.
And I messaged her, sabi ko, sana makarating sila agad sa Manila para by next Wednesday, ma-interview ko siya personally on my show. So, kailan ka uwi ng Cebu?
Sunday po.
Sunday, so sad. So, my show is every Wednesday. Sana ma-extend pa yung pag-stay mo dito sa Manila para ma-interview kita live on TV. Yes, if you're familiar, Afternoon Drive. Yeah, you can search on their social media account, Euro TV Philippines and Afternoon Drive. So, anyway, Miss Kiana or Yana?
Yana.
Iyana. So, bago ang lahat. So, do you have somebody to greet right now? No?
Opo.
Do you have somebody to greet?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Go.
Hello, Amira. It's your birthday tomorrow. I just want to say a happy birthday. I might be able to come to your birthday, and to wish you on your birthday. So let's celebrate our birthday together because my sister's birthday is tomorrow,
And you?
And my birthday is on Monday.
Oh, this coming Monday na.
Yeah.
Oh, advance happy birthday, Iyana. And I hope this day is a first gift and I hope the crown you bring home. And sa tingin mo ba is maiiwi mo ba yung crown ngayong araw?
Yes.
Yes, ipag-pray natin kasi sana yun yung magiging pa-birthday sa ni Lord this coming Monday kasi this is the day of the day of competitions for Kids and Teens Global. And I wish bago mag-Monday, maiuwi mo ang fraud. And anyway, matanong kita no, bilang isang content creator, ano magiging advice mo sa mga kapwa mo content creator na lumalaban for this pageant?
So, I just want to say that just be yourself and just be confident and be graceful when you walk on that national stage.
So sa ngayon, ano ang gaano mo pinagkahandaan yung pageant na to? How did you prepare?
I prepared myself by practicing my walk, training for Q&A, and taking care of my health. And most of all, I reminded myself to enjoy this journey and be proud to represent Cebu City on national stage.
Pang Miss Beauty Queen din yung mga sagutan ni Miss Ian. Diba? So, kinakabahan ka ba mamaya or what? A little bit. So, anyway, my first questions to you is, how would you use your title to benefit others if you win, Miss Ian?
If I win this pageant, the first thing I will do is to thank God for this blessings, and then I will take this opportunity to thank my family, friends, and relatives, especially to my social media supporters, for believing in me and supporting in me through this journey and my pageant life.
And good luck, Miss Iana. And wag kang sumuko and always pray to God when you're up on stage later on. So my next questions, diba, marami sa ngayon is the problem in the Philippines like climate change and the other government issues and government corruptions. I think bata ka pa, hindi mo pa siya masyado maunawaan. Maybe you can watch on news na ang dami nang nangyayari sa bansang Pilipinas natin. Yes, and I think nabalitaan ko from Cebu, nagkaroon ng lindol doon. So, hindi naman kayo nadamay.
Nadamay po.
Nadamay kayo. As in yung bahay nyo,
Oo
nasira.
po.
Really?
Hindi po nasira, pero ang lakas ng lindol, like, my whole house was shaking.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Pero ramdam mo yung lindol. Naramdaman mo yung lakas.
Opo, because I was on my guitar lesson, and when the room started shaking, I ran towards my mom and to feel safe. When I realized my place was already safe, the first thing I did was to pray for the victims to safety, especially to the most affected parts in the northern part of Cebu.
So anyway, what is the most significant issues your generation faces right now? Like maliban sa climate change, yung kinakaharap mo ngayon sa buhay mo.
As a mental health awareness advocate in society, I know how heavy it is outside and struggling in silence inside. Yes, and I will use this opportunity to demonstrate my purpose, and that is to empower today's generation mentally, physically, and physically.
What a beautiful answer, Miss Iana. Talagang pinaghanda mo ang Q&A, no?
Yeah.
So parang sanay na sanay ka sa Q&A. Nung lumabang ka ba sa pageant sa Cebu, may mga Q&A din pa nangyari doon?
Opo, it was my very first pageant when the Q&A was on that stage.
Okay, my last question, Miss Iana. So, sino naman ang inspiration mo sa buhay and bakit?
My inspiration is my mother, because she loves me, takes care of me, and she supports me in everything I do.
So, do you have any message to your mom right now?
Yes. Mom, thank you so much for being with me in everything I do, and for supporting me and loving me at the same time.
And saan yung daddy mo ngayon?
Daddy po, nasa bahay po.
So, hindi siya kasama ngayon. So, your mom lang ang kasama mo.
My mom, my lolo, my lola, and my auntie.
So, apat kayong lumuwas ng Manila. Matanong ko lang, curious lang kasi ako may lahi ka ba? Are you a pure Filipino or half? Half what?
Like,
Filipino
maliit lang po,
half Chinese. So, your dad is a Chinese, or your mom?
Yes po.
Your dad?
So, not just your Chinese.
Yeah. And anyway, so do you have any message naman sa iyong mga supporters and fans and also to your followers?
Yes po. those young kids who share the same dream as mine, I would say, never stop dreaming and believe in yourself. Even though we are young, we can still do big things if you stay kind and work hard. I hope my journey inspires you.
Alright, so you can promote your social media account if you have some. You have some Facebook page or TikTok to
Yes.
promote. Take it away.
My Facebook page is Liana Chris Iya. Oh wait, sorry.
Yeah, okay.
My Facebook page is Liana Chris Iya. And you can follow me on Facebook or add me as a friend because I will add you right away.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Iyana. And nakaka-proud naman na isa sa mga kasama ko ngayon isang content creator. And good luck at namit kita in person. Sobrang thank you po. And God bless you. Pinakabahan ka talaga ngayon. Anyway, mawawala din yan mamaya. So, relax lang natin yung sarili natin and enjoy the show. Thank you so much.
Ever could